Good day, students. How are you all? Hope you all are enjoying and learning digital learning. Myself, Mrs. Aarti Zadav from Advocate Bapu Saheb Bonde High School, Lonavala. Today we are going to learn mathematics and our topic name is symmetry. Do you know what is symmetry, children? What is symmetry? Yes, if the two parts of a figure made by a dotted line fall exactly on one another, then the figure is said to be symmetrical about that line. Look at the figures given below, children. These are symmetrical. Why we say these are symmetrical figures? Because the center line exactly overlap the other line. Hence, all the figures are symmetrical. Can you see? In the first figure, square figure, there is a central line and this line will exactly overlap the other line. Hence, this is a symmetrical figure. Look at the second figure, star. There is also a central line. Hence, when these two sides overlap, they will exactly overlap the other line. Hence, this figure is also a symmetrical figure. Look at the third figure, triangle. There is also a central line and can you see both the sides are same? And when you fold or when you overlap them, they will be exactly on the same line. This is also a symmetrical figure. Look at the last figure of an arrow. There is also a central line and both the sides seem to be equal. Yes, and when you overlap, they will exactly fall on the other line. Hence, all the figures shown here are symmetrical figures. Now, what are non-symmetrical figures, children? Look at the figure given below. There is a triangle and there is also a central line on the triangle. But when you fold that triangle or when you overlap the triangle, they won't fall exactly on each other. Yes, so this is a non-symmetrical figure. Look here, children, here are some non-symmetrical figures. Look at the first alphabet G. There is a center line in between. Can you see both the sides are different? So, when they overlap, they won't exactly fall on each other. So, this is a non-symmetrical alphabet or non-symmetrical object. Look on the second alphabet Z. There is also a central line. But when the Z is overlapped, it won't be falling on the same line or on the exact line. So, this is also a non-symmetrical figure. Look at the third object, mango. One side is straight but the other side has a curve. So, when they are overlapped, it won't fall exactly on one another. So, this is also a non-symmetrical figure. Look here, children. Determine whether the figures are symmetrical or non-symmetrical. Can you see the first alphabet A? There is a center line. When the center line is divided, both the sides look or seem to be equal and they will exactly overlap. So, there I have ticked correct one. Why? Because it is a symmetrical alphabet. Look on the second alphabet, children, G. There is a center line, but does the both sides seem to be equal? No. So this is not a symmetrical figure. Similarly with the third one and similarly with the fourth one. Let's come to the next part of a chapter, closed figure and open figure. What difference can you see, children? In the closed figure, there is also a house. In the second figure, open figure, there is also a house. But in the closed figure, the fencing is closed. There you can see a complete circle, whereas on the open figure, the circle is incomplete. There is some space still left to get completed. So this is an open figure. Let's think, children. Can you see a figure there? Can you see dot C, dot A, dot B? Now tell me, can we join point A and B with a line that does not touch the given figure? Is it possible, children? No, it is not possible to touch A and B without touching the given figure. So this is a closed figure, as A is inside the figure and B is outside the figure. So this is an example of a closed figure. Look on this second figure, children. This is an open figure. Now can we join an F with a line that does not touch the given figure? Yes, we can touch. Here is an open space from where you can pass your line from P to F. So this is an example of an open figure. I hope you understood the concept of symmetrical and non-symmetrical figures, as well as closed figure and open figure. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe our channel for further notifications and videos. Stay home, stay safe, save lives.